So as you guys can see that I have already unboxed this watch. I purchased this from the official website of Fossil. This came in this bag. So I'm just going to open this up, check it about how this watch actually is. Alright. So first notes first, the box that it came in, the outer box, is actually pretty damaged here. It crushed from all the sides to be exact. It also came out like this. So the packaging of Fossils India is not up to the mark. In fact, I just previously purchased another watch from Amazon, and the one that came from Amazon was very intact. It was pretty well built. The outside box was not at all damaged, but I can't say that I'm not disappointed from Fossils. Since I bought this from the official website, I do expect better packaging from them. But nevertheless, let's dive into the product. As I open it, I see that the foams that was there previously on the Amazon box as well, these are present here. And I also get a bill, an original bill from Fossils. I do get a stamp from Fossils, and you can see the amount that has been printed here. It costed me 7,995 rupees in Indian currency. So I'm going to keep it aside and dive into the product. So apart from this, I also get the warranty information. Now let's put out the box itself. Coming to the box itself, I personally like this design better than what I received from Amazon. This is a much cleaner design, much cleaner box, which I received from the official website of Fossils. No scuffs here and there. Now let's go ahead and open up this box and see the product inside. So once again, I get to see the instruction manual. Okay, so the watch is wrapped up in plastic, and all the tags that's mentioned here. And it's also wrapped up in this plastic as well. So far so good. The watch has all the necessary tags. It has this tag. The price is also written here once again. This is also a heavy watch. This feels very premium, and the leather is also nice. One thing to notice is that there are certain leather marks on the belt. It seems like it has been used quite a few times. It's not absolutely new. This was not there on the watch that I bought from Amazon. These marks were not there. The watch that I got from Amazon was, the belt looked very new. It had zero marks, zero stretch marks on the leather itself. But I guess we can look past that. It looks really classy, and the numbers have a faint brownish tint to it, as you can see. I don't know if you can catch it in the video itself, but it does have a faint brownish tint. The numbers, it's not clearly white, and the dials are white. This white is different from this. This has a slight brownish tint. It really complements the brown leather strap that really goes well with this brownish tint that has. Apart from that, it has a good build. It's 5 ATM, that means it's water resistant up to 10 meters. And it has a very nice crown. No doubt it's a premium watch. Okay, now let's put this on my wrist and see how it feels on the wrist. And it seems really solid. Premium look and build to it. The watch, once again, goes without saying, is very premium. The only complaints I would have is that this leather doesn't really feel new or unused. Personally, I also feel that this is a nice build, this is a nice color, and this would go with a lot of dresses and shirts as well as t-shirts. But the only quirk that I have with this watch is marks on the belt, the stretch marks on the leather belt. This is how it came within the box, and I did not expect this from Fossil official website of India. I received a better quality watch strap when I purchased this from Amazon. So I'm really surprised, but I guess I can look past that. And apart from that, this looks like a great watch. So that's it for now.